Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Elise, and if you are not new to my channel, then thank you so much for coming back for another video. I really do appreciate it. This video, I'm going to be doing my December Boxycharm unboxing tutorial. So I will be trying on every single product that comes in the box this month and letting you guys know my overall thoughts of the product and how it wears and all that good stuff. But really quickly, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for being so absent on YouTube this past month in general. Like December plus some of November, like I've just really been absent lately. I feel like for those of you who have been watching me, we're kind of just friends at this point, so I just wanted to really just say that I'm so sorry for not being on here as much. Honestly, you guys, I've just had a lot going on in my personal life, and I know I don't have to give this explanation, and I know a lot of you probably don't care, but I just feel like I have to because I just don't want you guys to think that I'm purposely being inconsistent. I want to be consistent, but just know that I'm going through something right now that's kind of making me a little bit uneasy, and I don't want to get on here and have a bad vibe. I want to always be very positive, and I always want to put my best foot forward, especially in front of the camera. That's kind of it in a nutshell. I'm feeling a lot better today. Things are definitely starting to look up, so because of that, I wanted to get back on here, and I wanted to get back in the swing of things and start filming again because, of course, this is what I love to do. This is a hobby for me. It's what I do on my free time. It's what I do when I don't even have free time. I kind of make time to film a video because it's my happy place. It's what I like to do. So, of course, I want to always be very positive on here for you guys. So, yeah, sorry for this little long-winded explanation. I'm sure a lot of you guys are not here for that, and I would hate to kind of just throw that on you. It's kind of like word vomit, but I felt like I had to share that with you guys, especially those of you who watch my videos religiously and you're kind of like, what the hell, girl? Why aren't you uploading that much? That's pretty much what's going on. So yeah, without further ado, if you want to see my Boxycharm tutorial for the month of December, then please keep watching. That the box this month left me with my mouth wide open because it is just such a versatile box. It literally is so well rounded and it has a little bit of everything. It has a lip product, it has a face product, it has eyeshadows. So I just felt like because of that, I just had to do a tutorial out of it. If you do not have Boxycharm and you have never heard of it, so then let me let you know what it is, girl. It is just a subscription service, a beauty subscription service. That word is so difficult to pronounce. Say that 3 times. Subscription. So it's a beauty subscription service, and you're gonna get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. I love this so much. It's my favorite subscription. Why do I even keep trying to say that word? Because you get full-size products. You're not getting the little EBD sample ones. I've been a loyal Boxycharm charmer for the past maybe 2-3 years now, and I love it so much, and I continue to get the boxes every month, and I'm so here for them. So yes, you got 4 to 5 full-size products every month, which is nice. It gives you a chance to try out different brands you might have never heard of, or brands that you actually already love, or even products that you've been wanting to try out but you don't want to buy them. And pretty much every time the box is always valued at over $100, which is nice because you're only paying $21 a month for the box. So yeah, that is what Boxycharm is if you've never heard of it. So the theme for this month's box is "'Tis the Season," which is of course very appropriate because hello. Dive right in. So the very first, I have no makeup on my face except my brows. You guys know the drill, and if you don't know the drill, then now you know the drill. I start off with my brows on because that is a must, okay? Ain't nobody want to see me on here looking like a hairless rodent without my brows on. This is a detox activated charcoal mask. This is by the brand Cosmedix. Wow, did I say Cosmedix? Wow, did I really just do that? No, it's Cosmedix activated charcoal mask, and it says here, draw out the dirt and impurities from your pores. The retail price on this is $30, so there you go. This is already worth more than what you're actually paying for the box. You get 1.3 ounces of this, and I'm excited to try this out. I always like trying out new masks, and I personally like when charcoal masks are in this like consistency where they're already pre-made because girl, when you're making a charcoal mask from scratch, ooh, activated powder charcoal, I tried, and the mess you make, and that stuff stains so bad, I try not to use it. So I always like using charcoal masks. That's another word that you can't say. Say masks 3 times really fast. I bet you can. Masks. Yeah, I told you, you can't. It's just impossible. I'm going to take some of this on this foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply this just to this portion of my face because I don't want to get up here too much because I am going to have to wash this off, and I don't want to run the risk of actually washing off my eyebrows that I've worked so hard on, okay? We are not trying to mess those up today. No, ma'am. So I'm just going to focus this on, ooh, it's cold, on this part of my face. This has an interesting fragrance. It smells a little bit chemically. Let's see what it says. It says, I like totally put this on, didn't even read the instructions. It says apply a generous amount to clean damp skin. Well, my skin wasn't damp. whatever. It says massage into skin in a circular motion. Didn't do that either. Okay, I'm like messing this up. It says leave on skin for 10 to 15 minutes and gently rinse with warm water and pat dry. So yeah, I don't know about all that circular motion stuff because I'm using a brush, but I will leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes the way that it says, and then I'll wash this off. It does feel nice though. It feels very cooling. It doesn't feel like it's tightening at all, so I'm just gonna give this another few minutes and I will let you guys know right before I wash it off. Alright, so I was about to go wash this off without even showing you guys what it looks like, but it's been about 20 minutes of having this on, and it definitely got a little bit lighter. It's not super duper hard, but I think it's because I just did like a super thin layer. I'm not sure if you were to put like a ton of layers on if it would get really, really like tough and stiff, but it's not super stiff, so it's pretty comfortable. It still gives you like the mobility to do like regular things with it on. So overall, it's not bad. I'm liking it. I have my face wash like running in my hands because I was literally about to wash this and I'm like, I have to update. So yeah, nothing really much to say. I'm gonna go wash this off and then I'll come back to see how my skin is looking. Now for eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Suva Beauty, or is it Suva Beauty Protege palette. This is a versatile, warm, cool toned palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. I don't know why I always have a thing for smelling everything. Does anybody else do this? It's like the weirdest thing. I always have to sniff everything. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty palette. It's giving me a really hard time to blend, so I'm just going to keep working with it a little bit. So this is pretty much the finished eye look, which I'm not mad at, okay, at all. This is right up my alley. I love working with browns and coppers. It's just so my thing. I'm such a warm tone lover. It is disgusting. The rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. This is what she looks like. How much is this one? This one is $26 in its original price. I don't know. I already feel some type of way about this because I just don't like when it's so small. Like, how are you supposed to fit your brush in there? You know what I mean? So I just think it's a little bit small for my taste. But nonetheless, I'm going to be using it anyways. I'm going to go in with the shade Tuscan Sunrise. Ooh, this is very pigmented, darling. City Lights. It looks a little bit dark for a highlight on my skin tone, so we'll see. Okay, alright. She cute. I'm also going to use a little bit of the one from the Protege palette because why not? Why not? We have an abundance of highlighters this month, so why not use them all? So now I'm going to go in with this one right here, which is a little bit lighter. Oh, Nelly. Alright, yeah, that one's a lot lighter. Do you guys see that glow? Yes. Now for lips, I'm taking the Bodyography Pro Lip Pencil in the shade Heather Berry. And this goes for $12. We have seen this brand before. This is just a regular lip pencil. I'm loving all these little palettes with these little itty bitty mirrors. I'm loving it. Oh, this doesn't match at all, but we're gonna use it anyways. Okay, not the creamiest lip pencil. It's a little rough, okay. And now to top it off, which I'm pretty excited for this one. This is the Tarte Lip or Glitter Lip Paint, and this is a sheer lip gloss, and this goes for $20. It says this sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish, which mama is always here for a high shine finish. Oh, I want to smack myself every time I say that. I just feel like I say it so friggin' stupid. Alright, so, wow, this is really pretty. It's a beautiful glitter lip gloss with like shifts of gold and pink at the same time. So pretty. Again, doesn't really match my eyes, but she'll have to do for now. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much going to bring this video to an end. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm tutorial. I went ahead and added the original value of every single product that I got in this month's box, and it totaled $122, which is insane. It's always amazing that you get over $100 worth of beauty products for just $21 a month, which is just such a steal for me. I always feel like I'm like cheating the system in some way, but like it's pretty amazing and I'm all the way here for it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like the way that it came out, despite the fact that I feel like it doesn't even match. Like I have like copper and browns going on my eyes, and then I have like pinks and mauves going on my lips. I just feel like it makes no sense, but I like the look. And by the way, let's not forget, I did not wear any false lashes, which I'm impressed. Okay, I like this. I'm here for it. If you guys do not know, I'm obsessed with wearing false lashes. So the fact that I'm not wearing any and I'm rocking my little itty bitty minis, I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed. So standout products for this month's box to me were definitely the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette, as well as the Tarte lipstick. I really like this lip gloss. I love the shine that it has on it. I love me a good shiny lip gloss. And it has glitters in it, but it has just the right glitters in it where they're finely milled. They're not chunky. They're not uncomfortable. It's really nice, and it smells like vanilla too, which is a nice little fragrance. I always like a nice little fragrance on my lipsticks and my lip glosses just because I think it gives it a little extra something, you know? And I really like this blush palette because, as you guys can see, it's very pigmented. The highlight is also very beautiful as well. I'm not super crazy about the packaging. I wish they were like circles instead of squares, just because I feel like that makes it a little bit more inconvenient, but nonetheless I think that the pigment is really nice, and this brand overall is really solid. This Wander Beauty, we've been getting it a lot and I really do like it. So you guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have made it to the very end of this video, then thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I want to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.